Hi, folks. Did you know Idaho has over 53 million acres of public land? That's over 60% of the state. So if I told you you could have 1,000 acres all to yourself, that'd be a pretty big deal, right? Welcome to Baldwin Lane. Located in the historic town of Ola, Idaho, this property offers some truly stunning mountain views. You'll find Ola about 90 minutes north of Boise, tucked away in the Squaw Creek Valley. There are 2 modern custom homes on the property with plenty of room for friends and family. You'll also find rustic barns, 7 spring-fed ponds, and 67 acres of irrigated farmland. Believe me when I say you won't find another piece of land with more to offer. Whether you farm, ranch, hunt, fish, or just appreciate the outdoors, you'll find plenty to love about this piece of prime Idaho property. Call Sherri today.